guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time I've seen my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. In today's video, I will be showing how to prepare jollof rice, Nigeria delicious jollof rice. Stay with me so that you know how it ends. Here I have my rice. Here is fresh pepper and the onions. I'm going to be using these tomatoes, butter tomatoes, and this is my tin tomatoes. Derica. This is the tin tomatoes I'm going to be using for my jollof rice. Here I have butter. The one I used, remember the last time I prepared jollof fried rice. This is the things I'm going to be using on my jollof rice. Stay with me. Now I will be adding my oil. Here is the tin tomatoes. As you can see, I'm frying my tin tomatoes. You have to fry very well. The next thing I will be adding the fresh pepper and onions. Turn it together at the same time. I will be adding my bottled tomatoes. Also turn it together. Here is everything. Tin tomatoes and bottled tomatoes. You have to leave it to done like 20 minutes or 15 minutes before you turn your rice into. I'm about to turn my rice inside. The rice have been washed already. Then you have to turn it together at the same time. Continue turning the rice. As you can see, we are still on it. We're still cooking. So don't forget to use the water of your boiled meat. Here is my water of the boiled meat. This is the water I'm going to be using. Some people like to use ordinary water. Me, I don't like to use ordinary water. Here is the look of the cooking of jollof rice. So I will be adding my onions and butter. Here's my onions and butter. The reason why you have to add the butter so that it will look shiny.